Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your Motorola phone. First, go to Settings, then scroll down to Sound and Vibration. Scroll down a bit further and you'll see an option for Phone Ringtone. And if you have multiple SIM cards, you can usually set a different ringtone for each SIM. Or, like it shows on my phone, I could set a different ringtone for the physical SIM and for the eSIM. I'm actually only using a physical SIM at the moment, so we'll go with that option. From here, I can either pick one of the built-in ringtones, which there aren't a ton, but there's a few of them to choose from. Or you can use a custom one by tapping down here. This drops you into your file browser, where you can find an audio file of any kind, whether it's music, a sound effect, whatever you want. I actually uploaded some music to my Google Drive earlier, then downloaded it onto my phone. So I'll go to my Downloads folder, where I can select a song, and tap the check mark, and now that song is my new ringtone. And that is how you change the ringtone on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe. It'll help you find more quick, straight-to-the-point tech guides next time you need one. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.